Hi everyone, I'm Victoria and today I'm going to show you how to make a great thumbnail so that your videos get more views and your content reaches more people on YouTube. Let's first start with what is a thumbnail. It's a little image that you can put to advertise your videos when users are scrolling on YouTube. So I tried looking at the different thumbnails for book recommendations or book summaries videos, and I thought I would show you how some of the tricks are done. So without further ado, let's jump into it. The first advice I would have is to get you a great tool to edit your thumbnail. For myself, I'm using Adobe Photoshop. I have an old version. It's definitely not free, but it's great quality and it really helps you enhance your content. So to start, you want to go into Adobe Photoshop, create a new file, and make sure it has the dimensions of the YouTube thumbnail, so 1280 pixels by 720. However, you don't want a white canvas as a background, so you can choose whatever picture you like. I personally use pictures from Pexels, which are free of use. Next, you want to go into your filters and select Gaussian blur so that the background is blurred and you are highlighted. You also want to lower the luminosity of your picture because you're going to put some white text on it, so to make sure the white text is highlighted, luminosity has to be low. Now you're going to put a picture of yourself talking, if you're going to be talking in the video, as I will likely be. And you want to highlight yourself and not the background so that you can copy paste yourself and the book you have in your hand on the library bookshelves that we saw earlier. With the object that you just selected, you're going to create a new layer and you're going to duplicate that layer to create the same thing. So the goal here is to paint that second layer of you in white so you can have a white frame behind you on the final thumbnail picture. And now you can copy paste those two layers into the final thumbnail file. Now this is me messing around trying to make the objects fit where I want them to, because ultimately what I want to do is to place the white frame just behind myself and the book so that I'm highlighted. Now, final step, you can add some text, and what I suggest you do is that you duplicate the layer of text you just added. You go into the filters, you select again Gaussian blur, and it will make your text glow, literally. For the rest, I suggest that you add some topics that you're going to talk about in your video, something that will catch the viewer's interest. And don't forget to save your file. I suggest that you save it into JPEG, because that's a format that's recognizable for YouTube. And bonus tip would be not to put the same text on your thumbnail, picture, and your video title once you upload it. People can see the same information twice. So if you put the same text in both spaces, you're just missing an opportunity to share more information about the content of your video and attract your viewers. So you guessed it, my next video will be summarizing the key insights from the book Nudge. And so see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.